Hello guys, welcome to Hedgehog Tech. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word automatically. It's quite easy. I prepared a file for you. Here in this file I have some captions. Hello, this is Hedgehog Tech, a table of contents creation tutorial. As you can see, those headings have a degree. This one is first degree and second and third degree heading. Now we are going to create a table of contents for those. In the ribbon section, you can see a tab called References. In the References tab, there's another tab called Table of Contents. I'm clicking the Table of Contents, and here there are some different styles of Table of Contents listed. You can easily click the Automatic Table 1, and here you can see your table of contents is created. Here the same captions listed in the first page. Okay, and thank you for watching me, and goodbye.